How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to talk about what factors impact your home insurance premium here in the state of Michigan. Whether you're a first-time home buyer looking into getting your first policy, or you have a policy in place and have had a home for a while, this video will give you some insights on what actually affects your home insurance premium. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your family, or your business, and overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. First, one of the biggest factors that is going to impact your home insurance premium is the size and replacement cost of your home. Larger homes or homes with higher replacement cost values will typically be more expensive to insure and have higher premiums. Now, an important thing to note is that replacement cost is different than market value. Replacement cost is the amount that it would take to rebuild your home from the ground up. So that is an important distinction that you should know. Then there's the location of your home. The distance to the nearest fire station and the fire protection class that your home is in will also impact your home insurance premium. Homes closer to fire stations and in better protection class codes will typically have lower premiums. The age and the condition of your home are also very important. Older homes or homes with outdated systems, like the plumbing or electrical, or with an older roof, can cost more to insure because they pose a higher risk for potential issues. Another crucial factor is your insurance score. Insurance companies will utilize something called an insurance score as a factor to determine your premium. A better insurance score can lead to lower rates. Every insurance company is different in how they actually calculate this score, and I've made other videos specifically about this that I will link in the description below, but you can maintain a better insurance score by things like maintaining good credit, keeping a clean driving record, and trying to keep your claims, both on home and auto, to a minimum. Which brings us to our next factor, which is claims history. If you have a history of prior claims, this will typically go back 3 to 5 years depending on the insurance company. This can raise your rates as well. It can be a sign to the insurance companies that you are more likely to make a claim in the future. So trying to keep claims to a minimum and only making a claim when it is a larger incident can help keep your premiums lower, as frequent claims can signal to the insurance company that you are a higher risk. Now, what are some other ways that you could potentially lower your home insurance premium? One that is very effective is to bundle your home and auto insurance together. Almost every insurance company out there will give you a significant discount if you have both of those policies with that company. Something else you could potentially look into is raising your deductible. This means that you would be responsible for more out-of-pocket expenses if you do have a claim, but it can lower your initial premium costs and keep more money in your pocket up front. And then, as I mentioned, maintaining a good insurance score is also something that can help keep your premiums low. And last is to consider installing safety features on your home. This can include things like central station alarms for fire and burglary, and also more simple items like having smoke detectors and deadbolt locks. These can not only help protect your home, but also potentially give you discounts depending on the insurance company you're working with. So overall, those are just a few of the factors that go into how your home insurance premium is calculated here in Michigan. There are more, but those are really the biggest factors. Thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your home insurance here in the state of Michigan, or auto, any personal, commercial insurance, whatever it may be. I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, whether it's personal or commercial, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer them as well. So thank you again.